Good evening, everyone. Welcome back with the additional. In today's newspaper on Wednesday, yes, it's the Wednesday, August the 9th, 2023. We have here 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 1 star. Yes, this one has 27 printed digits. We have a 4 stars Sudoku. It's tectonic with 4 stars. In Dutch, they call it cipher block. In Japanese, suguru. But sometimes they call this also a jigsaw puzzle. We have a jigsaw puzzle with a 1 star. And the last puzzle is a binary puzzle. And these puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. Told you I will not solve them all. Why? Well, it's too much for me. Time consuming. And I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yeah, otherwise it will be a day job for me. And I have not so fast connection with the internet. So anyway, let me start with this one. 6893. And this one I've told you 27 printed digits. Should be a 1 star puzzle. 1 star, and for 1 star puzzle I need to be faster than 50 minutes. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see. Which number can I pick? 4 in this column, 4 in that column. So the column between the middle column, no need to place left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in the column next, so last column, no need to place left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in the third row, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 4 in the third column, 4 in the second column, so the first column, no need to place left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used, I can see. Digit number 1, number 4, okay. How about the 6 in this column, 6 in that column, so the column between. The middle column, don't need to place left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in this row, third row, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 6, 6, okay. 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6. Cannot continue with the 6 now. 7 in this column, 7 in the column next, so last column, only place left for the 7 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the second row, so the third row, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 3, 3, okay. 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. Alright, yeah, 3, 3. 3, 3, 3. Come on. 8, 8. 8, 8. Well, 7, 7. And now I'm stuck. I believe 9. 9. Do we have here? Well. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 in these 3 boxes. So the 9 could be here, could be there. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 7. We have a 7 in the third row, so no 7 in these 3 boxes. So the 7 could be here, could be there. 7 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, 7 in the middle column. So the column next, only 3 place left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in this row, no 7 there. So the 7 could be here, could be there. 9, okay. We have a a 9 in this row. 9 in one of those two boxes in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 3 places left for the 9 should be here, or there. We see a 9 in the third column, no 9 there. 9 could be here, could be there. 3 missing numbers in the third column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, the 6, the 7 is missing, and the 8 is missing. 5, 7, 8. 5, 7, 8, 5, 7, 8, 5, 7, 8. And look, we have 5 and 8 in this row. So no 5 and 8 in this box. 5 and 8 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. So one digit left should be the 7 then. I've marked those two boxes earlier with a 7. We have a 7 in the second row, so no 7 there. 7 should be there. And need a 5 here. Okay. Then 4 missing numbers in the first row. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in this big square, so no 5 in these two boxes. So the 5 in the first row could be here, could be there. 5 in one of those two boxes in the first row, 5 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 3 places left for the 5 should be here, or there. We see a 5 in the middle column, no 5 there. 5 could be here, could be there. 8, 8, 8, 8. Okay. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have an 8 in this second row, so no 8 there. So the 8 could be here, could be there. One of the missing number in this big square is number 2. We have a 2 in this column, so no 2 there. So the 2 could be here, could be there. 2 in this column, 2 in one of those two boxes in the column next on the last column. The only 3 places left for the 2 should be here, or there. We see a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 could be here, could be there. 8 in one of those two boxes in the first row, 8 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places left for the 8 could be here, could be there. Come on, come on, come on. This takes too long. 7. 7 in this row. 7 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. Let me mark those. 7. Okay. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number is an 8. We have 8 in this row, so no 8 in these two boxes. So the 8 could be here, or there. We see another 8 in this column, no 8 there. So the 8 could be here, could be there. 8 in one of those two boxes in this row, 8 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left with 8 could be here, could be there. I need a 1 here, need a 2 here. Let me think. I need a 5 here. 1. Come on. 4 missing numbers in this middle row. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in this big square, so no 1 in these two boxes. So the 1 goes together with the 8 as a pair. So the other pair in the middle row are the numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We have a 3 in the first column, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 5 goes there. I've marked those two boxes earlier with the 5. We have a 5 in the first column, so no 5 there. 5 should be there. 2, I need a 1. 2, 8, 1. Okay. And now 5 in this column, 5 in the second column. So the third column, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 5 in the last row, 5 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be there. And I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes there. 5 in the last column, 5 in that column, so the column between, the only place left for the 5 should be there. Cannot continue with the 5 now. Need to wait. 1 box left in this column. I believe the 8 is missing in the third column. Oh, wait, so this can be an 8 then more. Then 8 in the third column, 8 in the second column. So the first column, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 8, 8, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have 8 in this row, so no 8 in these 3 boxes. So the 8 could be here, could be there. Here we have 8. in this 2 columns. Here we have 8 in these same columns. So that box cannot be an 8 anymore. Yeah, that means that I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 1 and 8. So that box should be an 8. And this box will be a 1 then. Alright, 2 numbers left in this big square from us. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and 6 is missing. 3 and a 6, 3 and a 6. We have a 6 in this row. No 6 there. 6 should be here. And a 3 goes there. 1 box left in the last column for number 1. 1 in this column, last column. 1 in the column next on that column. The only place left for the 1 should be there. And I've eliminated the 8. So the 8 goes there. And I've eliminated the 2. So the 2 goes there. I marked those 2 boxes earlier with 8. We have 8 now in this column, so no 8 there. 8 should be there. 1 box left in this column for the 1, the 2, 3 is missing here. So 2 numbers left in this big square form as the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, 7, 8, 9 is missing, 6 and 9, 6 and 9. We have a 6 in the last column. Oh, sorry, 6 in the last row. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and then 9 goes there. 9 in this row, 9 in the last row. So the row between, the only place left for the 9 should be there. And I've eliminated the 7, so the 7 goes there. Alright, I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 9. We have a 9 in this column, so no 9 there. 9 should be there. Okay. Yeah. 3 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of the missing number in this big square is number 9. We have a 9 in this row. No 9 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 should be there. I marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 9. We have a 9 in the first column. So no 9 there. 9 should be there. 1 box left in the first row for the 1. The 2 is missing. Yeah, the 2 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the 1. The 2 is missing. 2 and 7. We have a 2 in the first column. No 2 there. 2 should be here. 7 goes there. Then 2 missing numbers in this row for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. Cannot fill this yet. Well. How about these 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers? The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. 1 and 6, 1 and 6. We have a 6 in the third row. No 6 there. 6 should be here. 1 goes there. 1 in the third row. 1 in the first row. So the row between only place left for the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for us. The 1, the 2 is missing. 2 and a 5. 2 and a 5. Cannot fill this yet. Here, 2 and a 3. Alright. How about these 2 missing numbers in the last row for numbers? 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 and 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have an 8 in this big square. No 8 there. 8 should be here and a 1 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing and the 7 is missing. 6 and 7, 6 and 7. We have a 7 in this row. No 7 there. 7 should be here and a 6 goes there. Then. Let me see the 9. But I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with 8. We have 8 in the middle column, so no 8 there. 8 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2 and the 3, the 4 and the 5 is missing. 1 and the 5, 1 and the 5 cannot fill this yet. Well. Then. 3 missing numbers in this big square. The 1 is missing, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Well, what's happening? 1, 2, 3. Did I make a mistake? 1, 2, 3. We have a 1 here, so here can be 1. The 1 could be here, could be there. The 2 and the 3 could be everywhere. Well, we have a pair here. That means that this box cannot be a 2. We have a 2 and a 3 here. This box should be a 5. That box should be a 2. Well. 2 and a 3, we have a 2 now in this column. No 2 there. 2 should be here. 3 goes there. 2 and a 3, we have a 2 now, so this box should be a 3. So here should be the 1 and a 2. We have a 2 in this column. No 2 there. 2 should be here. 1 goes there. 1 and a 5. We have a 1. This column, no 1 there. 1 should be here. And a 5. Goes there. Finish in 14 minutes. Well. Told you need to be faster than 50 minutes. Well, it's not an easy one, this one, but we solve it again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in a minute with the other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.